Get ready to build something amazing. Today's word is all about putting pieces together. Welcome to Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is construct. Can you say it with me? Construct. Let's spell it together. C-O-N-S-T-R-U-C-T. That spells construct. Construct means to build or put something together. Here are some words that mean the same as construct. Say them with me. Build, like stacking blocks into a tower. Create, like making art with crayons. Assemble, like putting puzzle pieces together. Form, like shaping clay into an animal. Design, like planning how your Lego house will look. Each one shows how to construct something new. Now let's look at the opposites of construct. Demolish, like knocking down a block tower. Destroy, like tearing up your drawing. Break, like snapping a toy in half. Disassemble, like taking apart a puzzle. Ruin, like spilling water on your project. That's what happens when you don't construct. Here's a great example. Sofia used blocks to construct a model of her neighborhood. She built it piece by piece until it was complete. Let's go over that again. Construct means to build or put something together. Synonyms: build, create, assemble, form, design. Antonyms: demolish, destroy, break, disassemble, ruin. Constructing helps you turn ideas into real things, and that makes your imagination come alive. Your challenge: build something using blocks, paper, or toys. Then explain what it is. Amazing! You constructed something strong and creative. Keep building, word explorers. See you tomorrow for another Word Up with Sofia.